Hello, hope all is well. My name is Ipsa. Continuing with trigonometry, being part 5. Today I've taken up a topic, uh, specific topic. Uh, I can give you examples like NCERT exercise 8.4. I really don't know the question numbers. Initial questions only 1, 2, 3. In से some questions like this from NCERT 8.4. So they are very different kind of questions. Okay, they're not the regular to prove that this big thing is equal to this big thing or something, or to evaluate. No, they're a different thing. What they say, what the languages express something like example sine in terms of tan. They take one trigonometric word here and one here, or they may say express whatever they want, cot in terms of cos. They talk like this. Okay, nothing is given, there is nothing to improve. तो what happens is इसका मतलब ही नहीं समझ आता है. Lot of us can't even understand what they expecting out of us. कुछ करेंगे तो तब ना जब कुछ समझ आएगा करना है क्या, what is the objective. So let's discuss the objective first. कि what do they want from us? Okay, what they want from us is they want us to they want to find value of sine. Okay, they want to find the value of sine theta, like sine theta is equal to half or sine theta is equal to root 3 by 2, something like this. Okay, these are the values of sine thetas, different values, but they don't want numbers. They don't want numbers on the RHS. What do they want is only sine theta is, for this example, something tan plus 1 upon root tan plus something to do with only tans. Numbers are allowed in between, but as a value of like this is the value of sine, on the RHS they want only tan. The answer, what they want is they want to find the value of sine, and in the answer they want only, like for this example, tan theta to be present, nothing else. You can have simple numbers or simple numbers, no other ratio. If they don't want they don't want cos, they don't want cosec, they don't want cot, these none of this they want. They want value of sine in the LHS. In the LHS they want sine, and in the RHS they want only tan, some form of tan. So this is what they're expecting out of it. Express sine in form of tan. साइन की वैल्यू निकालो tan के फॉर्म में. राइट हैंड साइड पे सिर्फ tan आना चाहिए, लेफ्ट साइड पे एक सिंपल सा साइन थीटा आना चाहिए. I hope I'm making some sense. So this is what the objective of such questions is. Okay, now we'll do how to go about it. How to go about it? First, let's the first step what you should do in your rough or in your fair, whatever it is, write what they want, what they give, and what they want. Right? This is the combination. They've given us sine and they want us to give the value of in terms of tan. This is the combo they have asked for. Besides this, make a column which are relatives of sine. Now, what do I mean by relatives? Relatives is not really the correct arithmetic word. The word relatives, I mean, is reciprocal. In front of it, you just write the reciprocal of sine. What is the reciprocal of sine? Cosec. Okay, we've written. What is the reciprocal of tan? Cot theta. So in front of this is what we were given to find out. But from our side, you write the reciprocals also. Write the reciprocals of both the sides. Okay. First thing is done. Now you have to try 4 things. 4 options are there with you. One option is find an equation which has sine as tan. Okay. These are the standard equations that we know about, the 3 identities. These are the reciprocal relationships. Cosec and sine are reciprocal, sec and cos are reciprocal. And these are simple. Tan is sine upon cos, and I know you know all these identities and all these things. Just for reference, I've written it. Okay. So you can find an equation with sine and tan. The original question. Or what you can do is find an equation. Find from where? Find from here only, nowhere else. You don't have to go into the space to find. Find an equation with this part, the reciprocals, which has a cosec and which has a cot. Alright. The third option is find an equation with, now see, you will do this and this. Find an equation which contains sine and cot. And obviously the last thing is find an equation with this and this. It may sound a little complicated, but when we do stepwise, you will not find it so difficult. So the question was here, express sine as tan. All we did was just wrote their reciprocals in front of it. Now the first step is, जो हमारा question है, can you look for an equation which has sine also and tan also in it? Sine and tan, no. Sine and tan, no. Sine and tan, no. Sine and tan, no, 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 no. We don't have any equation which has sine and tan. So this is not found. We could not find it. Then what we do? We try and find the equation which has these two. What are they? Reciprocal of sine. This was from the main question. This was from the main question. Sine in terms of tan. We find reciprocals and write it separately. Now we try and find an equation which has cosec and cot. Both. Let's see. Cosec and cot. Cosec and cot. We have this equation which has cosec and cot both. Our job is done. We don't need to do any of this then. Forget all this. We have found an equation with cosec and cot, and I have marked it there. Okay. Then we clean up our board. This you can all just do in rough. This background you can just do it in your rough section. Now again, we just, for our reminder, our LHS should be sine and our RHS should be some form of tan. Tan something something upon something something something. Tan 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 tan. In the RHS we want only tan. This is what they want. Now where do we begin from? We have identified one equation and this is what we want. Now what do you do? What you have to do is just start from that equation जो आपने identify की है. अभी हमने कौन सी equation identify की है? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. This is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. Good, we've written it down. Let's go. हमारा मेन मेथड क्या होता है? जो हमें चीज़ चाहिए वो हम रखते जाते हैं संभाल के, और जो चीज़ नहीं चाहिए होती है उसको हटाते जाते हैं. रिमूव इट, व्हाट वी डोंट वांट इट, डीक्लटर इट, हटा दो उसको, और जो चाहिए उसको संभाल के रखो. 1 चलेगा, नंबर्स चलते हैं. डू आई वॉन्ट कॉट? नो, आई वॉन्ट साइन और आई वॉन्ट टैन. तो कॉट को कैसे हटाऊंगा? कॉट को हटाना है मुझे, बिकॉज मेरे को रिक्वायरमेंट ही नहीं है कॉट की. कॉट को हटाने का एक अच्छा तरीका है, ऐसे लिख दो, क्योंकि टैन तो चाहिए ना. तो कॉट को हटाना है, कॉट नहीं चाहिए पर टैन चाहिए, तो रिमूव इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉट स्क्वायर राइट दिस. फाइन, वी कंटिन्यू लाइक दिस. डू आई वॉन्ट कोसेक इन द सोल्यूशन? आई डोंट नीड, आई नीड साइन और आई नीड टैन. अब कोसेक को भी हटाना पड़ेगा. कोसेक को कैसे हटा सकते हैं? ओह, okay, now we have something. See, already we are getting something which is only sines and tans, so we are closing down to the solution. अब हमें क्या चाहिए था? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे साइन जैसी चीज़ चाहिए थी और राइट हैंड साइड पे टैन जैसी चीज़ चाहिए थी. सो लेट्स जस्ट reverse the, I'm just reversing, I'm not doing much, I'm just reversing it and I write it here because the requirement was such कि साइन की वैल्यू हमें, साइन की वैल्यू नहीं, साइन हमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे चाहिए और टैन हमें राइट हैंड साइड पे चाहिए. ओके, लेट्स what can we do with it? We can take LCM. It will become tan square theta plus 1 and tan square theta. Fine. So we are quite in place. The right hand has only tan, left hand has only sine. But ये तो 1 upon sine है, हमें चाहिए sine. क्या करें? पूरी इक्वेशन को फ्लिप कर देते हैं, पूरी इक्वेशन का रेसिप्रोकल बना देते हैं. तो when this goes up, it becomes sin square theta. When this gets flipped, it becomes tan square theta and tan square theta plus 1. I'm just flipping the equation. Okay. Now, do I need sine? LHS में do I need sine? I don't need sine square. बहुत ईजी है. साइन स्क्वायर को साइन बनाने में कितना टाइम लगता है? इधर अंडर रूट ले लो, दैट्स इट. सी, LHS में हमारे साइन आ गया, RHS में सम कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टैन एंड स्क्वायर्स एंड प्लस एंड रूट एंड माइनस. टैन होना चाहिए और उसका कुछ भी सम वियर्ड कॉम्बिनेशन, वो मेरे पास है. रूट है, टैन स्क्वायर है, प्लस है, 1 है. सो वी हैव एक्सप्रेस्ड साइन इन फॉर्म ऑफ टैन. That's all you see. That's all what is required. Okay, we'll do one more question. I'll do the gist first and then we'll solve this question. I hope थोड़ा अंदर घुसा. Okay, we'll do one more question and then probably it will fix better in the brain. It's not difficult, it's just we don't understand the meaning of this question. So let's take another anything. Just say express, what do you want to take? Express cos theta in, or let's take express cot theta or cosec theta in terms of cosec theta in terms of, 1 minute, let me just plan. Sine and cot tan Sec? No, not sec. Cos. Okay, let's just try this item. I'm not able to form a question. So express cosec in form of cos. Okay, so let's write. What are the steps? What do we want on the LHS? LHS we want cosec. In the RHS we want some form of cos or cos square, या plus, या 1, या root, anything related to cos or cos cube or something like this we want in the RHS. What are the steps? You put them together. जो हमारे क्वेश्चन में है हमने साथ साथ लिख दिए उनको, cosec and cos. All right. Do we have any equation which has cosec and cot? Cosec and cos, I'm sorry. Cosec and cos. No. So let's write their reciprocals. Write their relatives. Reciprocal. What is the reciprocal? Sin theta. What is the reciprocal? Sec theta. Okay. Now let's look for an equation which has sin and sec. Sin and sec? No. Sin and sec? No. Sin and sec? No. No. ये भी नहीं मिली हमें. अब क्या करें? We look for an equation which has cosec and sec. Okay, let's try. Cosec and sec. Do it cross and look for an equation just cosec and sec. Cosec and sec, cosec and sec, cosec and sec. No, we couldn't find this also. Last बचा है, हो जाए. We want an equation with this cross. I want to try and have an equation which has cos and which has sine. It is the first equation itself. This equation has sine and this equation has cos. So this pair worked out. You could have this pair, you could have this pair, or this pair. So this pair worked out, so I marked that equation. Now I don't need any of this rubbish. All this is redundant, I don't need it. Here also let me just neaten up. We just need to know LHS में cosec चाहिए, RHS में cos चाहिए, और हमारी जो equation मिली है that is sin square plus cos square is equal to. How do we start? We start with the equation itself. The equation itself which we identified is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now we'll follow the same principle. जो हमें चाहिए वो हम उसको संभाल के रखेंगे, जो हमें नहीं चाहिए उसको हम हटाते जाएंगे, रिमूव करते जाएंगे. साइन चाहिए आपको? चाहिए? नहीं चाहिए. कैसे हटाएं इसको? Can be written as 1 upon cosec square. Good. So we gotten rid of sine. हमें sine नहीं चाहिए था, हमें हटा दिया. Okay. Do I need cos? Oh yes, I need cos. So I'll keep it intact. And 1 का तो कुछ है ही नहीं. It'll remain. What do I want in LHS? Cosec. So let this be on the LHS, and rest everything we shift on the right hand side. One. Fine. Now, do I need 1 upon cosec square or do I need cosec? I need cosec. How do I do it? I will just reciprocal the whole equations, flip them upside down. This will become cosec square theta and this will become done. Now square भी नहीं चाहिए हमें, तो प्योर cosec चाहिए. प्योर cosec ले लो भाई. यहाँ रूट लगा दोगे तो वो प्योर cosec बन जाएगा. Now see what do we have. We needed only cosec in the left hand side. We have only cosec in the left hand side. One problem solved. We needed only cos in the right hand side. We have 1 cosec square root. We have only cos on the right hand side. Baki 1 वगैरह चलते हैं. That's all we have to do. So if you find, wherever you find such questions, मेरे को और ऐसे याद नहीं है, 8.4 की शुरू के कुछ एक questions में ऐसा है, express this in terms of this, express this in terms of this. So this is how you have to proceed. Keep your equations handy so that it becomes easy to find and not think too much. Just write them. It takes 2 seconds to write them into rough. And they will be used throughout your paper. बार आपको 2-4 क्वेश्चन तो आएंगे ना ट्रिग्नोमेट्री से, तो they can become handy while you are using, while you are doing other questions also. ठीक है? All the best. Thank you.